Nikki on our Self-Care Apparel. I'm back with another video. Currently I'm at work, tired. Today's video is not going to be from here. It's going to be more likely at home. I think I'm putting up the Christmas tree, or either I'm printing out labels today. One of them. So I see y'all when I get home. Today's video, we are putting labels on our winter collection, and then I'm done. At that, I'm done. But no, y'all. So yesterday, I was supposed to be filming for this. I was supposed to be filming how to print them out, how to print your labels out, and all that stuff. But I absolutely was too tired from work that I didn't even film the whole day 4. So this is gonna be day 4 to day 5 of Vlogmas. Another one, y'all. Another one. Another one. I can never catch a break like another one. So let's get into it on day 5, okay? I'm gonna post my thing on the other phone. All right. So we got the body butters, okay? I'm gonna put y'all down. Do I want to keep that on? I keep that on. All right. We're gonna put, first of all, let's make sure. What's it? If that, we're gonna put it on like this, like so. And I'm sorry it's not big enough, but I found some big labels for it. So that's our first body butter with the label on. Here's our second product. Ooh. Like I said, we're gonna go in the middle, back over here again, and then boom. Okay. What happened with this one? We're gonna go in the middle. We're gonna put back over here like so. We're gonna put in the middle. Okay, my bad, y'all. All right. We're gonna do in the middle, flatten it out like so. We have all 5 of the body butter done. Let's get our lotion, because that's what's next. And I designed these myself. These are super cute, you guys. Like, I'm so in love with the designs. For the lotion, you're going to do it just like so. It fits for lotions. It fits for lotions. I don't know why it don't fit for nothing else. You make it look like it's too small for it. So, you know, fit down the middle like so. And here he is. I thought it had snowed, y'all, because I was thinking of toasted marshmallows in the snow, and it didn't even snow. So my kids got out of school for what? It didn't snow. Got the kids out of school early for no snow. Like, what? All right, got the body butter down. We're going to do the sugar scrub, and it's going to be the same thing as the body butters, but I just don't know where, so I should have did round for these. It's like, where do you want me to put them? Never mind. Once you get the laying down, it's just never mind. Let me see. The same thing for that, so just keep it on the top. Because you can't do nothing at the bottom. So they'll have it on the top. It'll be fine. It'll be fine. Now I can show my stuff with the labels on. Okay. That's the end of that. Sorry y'all had to hear the sniffles, y'all. I tried so much today to be just fine without the sniffles, but it has found me. All right, y'all. We have got everything that needs to have a sticker on. We have got all of our stickers on our products. They're super cute, y'all. Super, super, super cute. I even have next year's labels print already done. And those are super cute as well. So if I ever want to bring them back, I have labels for all my stuff I want to bring back. And that's how you do a business. You have to have labels of all your things. And so I have labels of everything I done created. So I'm well prepared if I want to bring certain stuff back. But you guys, I'm going to go ahead and end this here because this was supposed to be day 5 of us putting labels on our products for... Ow! Ow! I walked into a paper cut. Oh, I walked into a paper cut. But we have everything done way before the 19th, which is next Friday. It's the dropping of it. I got to now do the flyers for it so I can start promoting the winter's collection. I'm be doing that today. Yeah, y'all, I got a lot to do. Okay. And I just gave myself a paper cut and I'm so sad. Like, I'm so sad. Like, so I'm going to go ahead and upload this video. Go ahead and do that. Go ahead and put this up. Okay. Put it up there. All right, you guys. If you like more videos like this, please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll be back with another video. Bye. Maybe I'll explain why I'm doing 2 videos in one day. And the rest gonna be just their own day.